Chiffonade simply means cutting herbs once, and we normally do it with soft herbs because hardy herbs you need to keep cutting and make them nice and fine and powdery. But with soft herbs, things like basil, mint, parsley, basically all you do is grab them into a bunch like this. And remember, our cat claw action, yeah? And that's it. And then the rocking motion, and off we go. Start working at it. And the reason why we do it once is because we don't want to bruise. We don't want to bruise them. You know, when you do this a lot, all the oil of the herb is just going to be dissolved into the board, and we don't want to do that.